The condominium Praia da Baleia is a closed condominium that offers all the comfort and security you need to enjoy unforgettable moments with your family and friends. The condominium has all the necessary infrastructure to make your stay extremely pleasant. Let's show you a little bit of this paradise. Come and see the Praia da Baleia condominium. Build your home here and enjoy unforgettable moments with your family and friends. The total area is approximately 12,000 square meters in Angra dos Reis. Situated by the sea, rocky shore, located at the Ponta Leste, on the road leading to the Petrobras terminal. This condominium has houses of a good standard of construction, starting at the end of the left side of the Tartaruga Beach. The area includes two zones, Zone 10 and Zone 11, with Zone 10 having a total area of approximately 6,250 square meters, and Zone 11 approximately 5,790 square meters. According to a study carried out by the municipality of Angra dos Reis, Ponta da Baleia, where the sites are located, was considered the closest sheltered point to Ilha Grande. The term shelter is used in areas protected from the southwest wind, very common in Angra, and which, when it increases in intensity, can cause damage to houses and boats. The area in front of the sites is so protected that it allows safe guarding of boats, a very rare feature in Angra dos Reis. Another advantage of these areas is the proximity to Praia da Baleia, just 100 meters away, considered by Quatro Rodas magazine to be the most charming beach on the Angrense coast. The plots are on the left shore of Praia da Tartaruga, 2 minutes from Praia da Baleia. When building your house, you can also choose to make a deck for your boat or leave it anchored in submerged points in front of the shore. This seaside paradise awaits you. Do not waste time. By acquiring the land, you can build a beautiful house, divide the areas between friends and family, and build houses of great standard. Take the dream off paper and build a wonderful inn. Or break up and build a condominium. That will guarantee your retirement. Enjoy the wonders of the tourist corridor of Ponta Leste. Buy your land and enjoy the proximity of Ilha Grande and many other islands that make up this beautiful corner of the city of Rio de Janeiro. Costa Verde awaits you. Get in touch and schedule a visit.